Hello everyone, my name's Joel. This is a video just reviewing the things that we've been doing in class so far in our online classes. Hopefully you've gotten your books by now and you have started working on them. We'll be collecting your writing books at the end of this term. So this video is just to help you get through and get started on them. And we're going to go through the first activity together. And this is just in case you happen to have missed the first lesson. So before we begin though, the unit that you're enrolled in for this term is ETE WRT001, which is called Produce Written Work for Different Purposes, Audiences and Contexts. The unit you're enrolled in. The qualification that you'll be getting that this unit is a part of is 10291 NAT, Certificate 2 in Core Skills for Education, Training and Employment Pathways. So that's the certificate that you're all working towards in this class. The book that you've got will be called Book 1, Writing for Different Purposes, and there may be other books. And today we're just going to talk about activity 1, which says below is a police report detailing events of a robbery. Read through the report and then complete the graphic organizer on the next page. So this is the report. We won't read it together, but you should read it yourself and take note of the language in there. And so you're going to read this and you're going to extract information about it and you're going to complete the details and put them around the circle that lead to the conclusion, right? It says the first fact was written for you, so that's down here. Drove down Lee High Street, Fiesta. Okay. So you've got this activity and it's going to lead towards a conclusion. All right, so some things to think about is to looking for words that give you indication of where, so looking at place, where did it happen, what happened, right? When did it happen? So find the date. Who? And there might be more information there, and this information was already given. There was a sequence of events, so these things happened. The two men were in the back of a car, the van stopped, and next the guards were told to lie on the floor, and the car stopped. Then the money was. These things happened one after the other, leading to the conclusion that the robbers jumped back into the car and sped off down High Street, and that later the car was found abandoned. Right, so that's your conclusion. You don't have to write the full sentences. You can make little notes of this information and this information. You may want to give the report one more reading just to make sure that you've got all of that. And then you're going to put that in the template here with the conclusion. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. I know it's just a quick video to explain activity 1, and hopefully just with this brief introduction you'll be able to go ahead and complete that graphic organizer with the details from the story. If you have any questions, please come and talk to us during the tutorial time or during your telephone English lesson. Thanks for listening. Bye bye. See you in class.